$43,634 is what I've been able to generate just in the last 27 days with affiliate marketing. Let me repeat that. $43,634 just in the last 27 days. How's it going? My name is David Dekel, and if you're looking to make big commissions, this is the video for you. Now, let me start off by saying that, look, my results are not typical. I am in no way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to make 43,000 in 27 days. This is just to show you what is possible. Today, a very lazy Sunday. I was just sitting here watching one of the movies on Netflix called The Wedding Guest. Pretty good movie, actually, if you haven't watched it. And I'm right in the middle of it. And as I'm doing that, my phone goes ding, and another $2,000 commission came in. Yesterday, I sent you a video. I just came out of yoga class and another $2,000 commission came in. So today, I'm already up another 2,000 plus all the other sales that have come in. And let me actually show you right on this video the proof. Now, before I get into all of that, let me start off by saying this. Tomorrow, Monday, there is going to be a draw for a giveaway that I'm running where you can win a 3-night hotel stay in Miami, luxurious hotel stay, and there's still time for you to enter, and you could be one of the winners. There's going to be 7 total winners for this giveaway. And what you need to do to enter it, if you're watching this on YouTube, here's what I want you to do. Number 1, comment down below. If you made a $2,000 commission in the next 24 hours, what would you do with it? Would you go on a holiday? Would you maybe pay off some debt? Would you do something that you always wanted to do? Comment down below. I'm curious, what would you guys do? What would you specifically do if you made a $2,000 commission in the next 24 hours? Second thing I want you to do is hit the like on this video. And the third thing is make sure to click the subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon, because tomorrow when I go live, you're going to get a notification from YouTube that, hey, there's a live stream, and that's where I'm going to be announcing all the winners. So you want to make sure to attend this live stream, because that's where I'm going to be announcing the winners and your name could be there. So make sure to do that. Also, in the video description, I left a link for you to actually enter the giveaway itself. You can submit your name, so I can potentially call your name as one of the winners. And that's basically it for the giveaway. Now, let's dive straight into this video. I want to show you exactly what came in today and how much, basically what's happened yesterday. So as you can see right here, let me just highlight this. At 3:49, another $2,000 commission came in right there. And if I switch over and show you just the totals, as of yesterday, I was at like 18,000 something. Today, I'm already over $20,400. And this is just one of the income streams that I use in my affiliate marketing campaign, which you, by the way, can also get access to when you click on the link in this video description. It's going to take you to check out the campaign, and you can actually leverage this too. Now, check this out. This is not the only commissions that came in. There's actually even more. And just in the last 27 days, this is all the additional commissions that have come in, because with this system, there's actually multiple income streams. There's actually 4 total income streams. And as you can see right here, this is another $23,234. So if you add these two up, which I did just before I started recording this video, as you can see right here, 20,400 plus an additional 23,234, that is a total of $43,634. Again, guys, my results are not typical, but as you can see, this marketing system clearly works. Now, here's another thing that I want to tell you guys. Just earlier today, I've posted for one of the income streams that is in this system, which you, by the way, can get access to by clicking. There's 3 steps to making this work. And just in case you never heard me say this, let me repeat these because these are pretty simple. Step number 1, if you want to get access to the exact campaign, the exact affiliate marketing campaign, where I do the work and you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions, same exact campaign that I'm using, I want you to first click the link in the description and then go watch the webinar. I explain exactly how this works. Step number 2, is I need you to get set up in the system, and specifically with income stream number one, get set up with the Vertex Live, because that's the level that I came in at, and that's what enables me to earn these $2,000 commissions. So if you want to be qualified to earn $2,000 commissions, and you want to keep 100% of those commissions, you want to come in at income stream number one at the Vertex Live, and I want you to join my team. Like, click the link below, join my team, because many members, as you've seen in the last video, many of my members in the Facebook group were all using, all of my team members, I give you guys the exact campaign that I use. You don't need to come up with, you don't need to build anything. You don't need to come up with any web pages, anything. Like, it's all done. I already recorded the webinar. You can use that. I already send out the emails on your behalf to all the visitors that submit their email. I follow up with them for you with your affiliate links. On top of that, there's a members area that's already set up, and I explain your signups, exactly how to get signed up. On top of that, when you come in at the Vertex Live, when you click the link below and come in at the Vertex Live and join my team, because I know how to do this. I mean, if you know how to do this, then you don't need to be watching this video. But if you don't know how to generate commissions online, join with someone who helps you by not just telling you that I'm going to help you. I'm actually giving you the exact campaign that I'm using, including the pages, the videos, everything. You get the whole thing. Not only that, but the only last step to this after you get set up with the Vertex Live is for you to send traffic, because I could give you the best campaign in the world. But guess what? If you don't send any visitors to it, not much is going to happen, right? You're not going to be able to earn any commissions. It's like you have a store. If you don't have visitors coming into your store, you're not going to be able to make any sales. So how do we solve this problem? Well, I actually show you right on the webinar. This is why it's so important for you to click the link below, go watch the webinar, because I reveal my traffic source. And not only I reveal it, but I actually give you some traffic to basically get you started, specifically with income stream number one. And on top of that, the same videos that are making me sales, just like this video right here that you see right now, and my other previous videos, which I've shown you in multiple videos that they're generating me sales, I literally give you the video files so you can use them yourself in your own marketing, and you get to keep 100% of whatever traffic comes in and 100% of whatever commissions come in. See what I mean? This is why I want you to join my team. I already know how to do this. If you want to reinvent the wheel and try everything, experimenting on your own, that's cool. That's fine. But if you want to get into something that's already working and link up with someone that already knows how to do this, then you want to click the link below and go check it out. Now, one more thing that I wanted to show you is this. This campaign, we're still in the very, very beginning of it, meaning that if you know anything about affiliate marketing campaigns, you know that they get better with time, specifically after optimization, after tweaking things and making them better. So just this morning, I posted in one of the income streams in one of the affiliate programs that we're promoting with this marketing system. I've posted my results, and let me actually show you this. Check this out. If we go to Facebook here, this is the actual post that I've made. If we go here to Infinity Processing System, we'll scroll down a little bit. And there we go. This is the actual post. So check this out. With just one of the income streams, as you can see right there, I was able to earn part of this 43,000 total that I just showed you. 10,700 was part of that in the last 26 days. This was posted like last night. And check this out. Like, people like don't know essentially what we're using here. Like, this is a big secret to people, but you know, this is not something I reveal to a lot of people, but those of you that are watching this video, look at this. May I ask what the payment source was? Way to go. How did you do it? How can I join? All this other stuff, time to go all in. Wow. Congratulations. Let's go. Congrats. Like, you see what I mean? Like, people, if you're clueless about how to promote stuff online, you need to link up. You need to join my team, because I can show you how to do this. Not just show you so you can go out there by yourself and build something that's going to take you 6 months to build. You're coming into something that's already working. Just in the past, again, 27 days, already over $43,600 something. And it's been making me just $2,000 commissions consistently, other commissions consistently. So again, if you want to get into something that's already working and the only variable is basically how much traffic you're sending, and I help you get traffic too. In fact, not only do I help you get traffic, but there's actually secret software that I use that I never mention on my videos. But if you click the link below, go watch the webinar. I reveal what the secret software is there that's helping me get these sales. And in addition to that, you actually get access to it, but I'm not going to talk about it here. I don't want to reveal the secret because this is pretty powerful stuff. You're going to get access to it when you come in at income stream number 1 at the Vertex Live. Go ahead, do that right now. Join my team today because I'm giving you basically everything that you need to be successful with this. It's all up to you with what level you want to come in at, obviously, but I'm giving you everything that you need to be successful with this. If you just follow the simple instructions that I give you, you're basically going to be doing the stuff that people that are making sales are doing. So go ahead, get started right now. Click the link below. Go watch the webinar. Join at income stream number 1 at the Vertex Live level. Do that today. Do that right now. And then I'm going to send you the bonus package with the secret software, with my YouTube video files. I'm going to show you exactly where to get them. And in addition to that, there's other bonuses too, like actual traffic already going to your affiliate marketing link. So now to recap this video, because I want to get back to my movie here. You've seen all the different results from all the different members. Again, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make any certain amount. Clearly, I can't guarantee any sales, but it's clearly working, guys. So go ahead, click the link below, get started. Now remember that the giveaway for the 3-night hotel stay in Miami, luxurious hotel stay, and this is, by the way, costing me an absolute fortune, but you guys are worth it. And I love you guys, and I want to make sure that you guys get hooked up with some cool stuff. There's going to be 7 total winners. Whoops, I'm clicking stuff with my little pen. There's going to be 7 total winners, and you could be one of them. To enter this giveaway, all you need to do is, again, comment down below, what would you do if you made a $2,000 commission? I'm curious. Step 2, make sure to click the like on this video if you're watching this on YouTube. Step 3, make sure to click the subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon. And then in the very first comment of this video, I'm going to leave a link for you to actually enter the giveaway and submit your name. So this way, when I do the draw tomorrow evening, you're basically going to be able to see if your name came up or not. And I'm telling you, you can possibly win this. There's a good chance. There's going to be 7 winners in total, and you're not competing against 1 million people. So I don't know what the odds of winning are exactly, but you're not competing against 1 million people. There's like over 100 people that have entered this, so there's pretty good chances, right? So go ahead and do that right now, and make sure to tune in tomorrow, Monday evening, to the live stream, because I'm going to be announcing the winners there, and your name could be one of the winners. And you want to be on the live stream, because if I announce you as the winner and you're not there to collect it, I'm going to have to give it to the next person that is on the live call. It's basically going to be, people that are on the live call. Okay, guys, so that's all I wanted to share in this video. Again, my results are not typical, but just to show you what is possible with this, go ahead, get started today. Join my team. I know how to do this. I can show you how to do this. I'm giving you everything that I use myself, the videos, the webinar, the web pages, everything that you need. All you got to do is click the link below, go watch the webinar, get set up, and I'm going to send you the bonus package so you can start sending traffic to your affiliate link. And hopefully I'll see your name inside the Facebook group very, very soon, talking about how many commissions you made. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.